Good morning students. I am Isha Sindhi and I am taking 4th standard English subject. Today's our topic is lesson number 3, Arun's new friend. Let's continue the lesson, Arun's new friend. Right son, do drop in again, said Kolfukan as he came to the gate with Arun. Now Arun was feeling much better. He had made a friend. During lunch, Arun told his mother and granny about his new friend. He came to know from granny that Kolfukan stayed alone in the cottage and his only son Avinash lived in the US. So students, now Arun's mother is waiting. Now he had to move. Kolfukan said to Arun, right son, you can go now. Come again. And he went to the gate and said goodbye to Arun. Arun felt much better now. Why he felt much better? Because he got a good friend. During lunchtime, Arun told his mother and granny about his new friend. Who was his new friend? Who was his new friend? Kolfukan. He came to know from granny that Kolfukan stayed alone in the cottage. Kolfukan has a son and his name is Avinash and he lived in US. Now come to next paragraph. One morning, a few days later, Arun's mother exclaimed, do you know, Arun, you have not complained of boredom since the last 5 days. Bored. Arun looked aghast with so much to do. Do you know, today we are climbing up the hill, saying so. Arun ran out excitedly. So here, some few days later, one morning, Arun's mother exclaimed. She asked to Arun, since last 5 days you have not complained about boredom in Vilaspur. Why, Arun? Arun looked aghast, means shocked. Arun became shocked. I have so many things to do here, said Arun. Then Arun said to his mother, we are climbing up the hill today. Here we are means Arun and Kolfukan. We are climbing up the hill today. We are going to climbing up the hill. As soon as he said, Arun ran out excitedly. The morning began cheerfully enough with both Arun and Kolfukan in high spirit. Who will say you are climbing for the first time? Kolfukan said, watching Arun hair up a particularly steep part of the hill. Wait for me, called Kolfukan and started scrambling up. It was then that the calamity occurred. Kolfukan lost his footing and went tumbling down. Arun was beside him in a moment. Are you all right, sir? Arun asked anxiously, helping the old man sit up. Here, the morning started very happily. Both Arun and Kolfukan were in high spirit. Here, high spirit means full of energy. They were in full of energy because they were climbing up the hill. And then Arun climbed up the step part of the hill. Kolfukan said, Who will say you are climbing for first time? Kolfukan said, You are very expert in climbing. Arun is climbing like hair up. Here hair up means run like a rabbit. Rabbit is hopping. Just like that, Arun is climbing up the hill. Kolfukan said, "Wait for me. He is very old man." Arun is climbing unsteadily, and old man was not able to climb fast because he is old. It was then one danger happened. Calamity means disaster happened. When he climbed up, he lost his step. He lost his step and he fell down. Arun reached at him suddenly. Arun asked, "Are you all right, sir?" Then Arun helped this old man sit up there. "I think so," Kolfukan nodded. Arun gently pulled him up and he took a few steps, wincing a little. "I think it's a small sprain," Kolfukan said, attempting a smile. "But still you won't walk, sir," Arun said, and making the old man sit on a boulder, he sped off to find some transport. At home, Arun handed Kolfukan a steaming cup of tea. "Have it, sir. It's good for shock. I will call Dr. Joshi to take a look at you." Here, Arun asked, "Are you all right, sir?" Then Kolfukan said, "I think I am all right." Now Kolfukan moved his head. Arun helped him to stand up, and Kolfukan tried to walk, wincing a little. Here, wincing means expression of pain appeared. Expression of pain appeared on his face, and Kolfukan said, "My legs are disturbed and I feel pain on my ankle." "So you don't walk, sir," Arun said. Arun said, "So you don't walk, sir," and he sit on boulder. Here boulder means big rock. Then Arun went to buy vehicle from somewhere. And they reached at home. Arun handed Kolfukan a steaming cup of tea and he said, "It is good for shock." Then Arun said, "I will call Dr. Joshi to take care of you," said Arun. Though the next few days had to be spent in bed, they were the happiest for two but owls. Too soon it was time for Arun and his mother to leave for Delhi. They came to say goodbye to the old man. And doctor came and said to Kolfukan, "Take rest for few days." But they were happy. They spent their day together. But it was time for Arun and his mother to leave for Delhi. Arun and his mother came there to say goodbye to this old man. "So time to leave," he said in his usual loud voice. "Yes, sir." Arun started to say something when he was interrupted. "Just one last favor, son. Could not you make that Nanu instead?" The old man's eye misted over. A lump seemed to have appeared out of nowhere right in the middle of Arun's throat. "Yes, sir. I mean Nanu." "Yes, of course. And you will come here next summer too." "Yes, yes. And you won't call our lovely Vilaspur boring again." "Of course not." "Nanu, how can it be when you are here?" Then he asked Arun in loud voice, "It's time to leave for you." Arun said, "Yes, sir." Arun started to say something, but Kolfukan not allowed to speak him. He interrupted. "It's time for leaving. Before leaving, he can do one thing," he said. Don't call me sir. You can call me Nanu. He said, instead of sir, can you call me Nanu? Old man started to cry. Arun felt something inside his throat. He became unable to speak now. Yes, sir. He became unable to speak now. Yes, sir. Again he said, not, 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 I mean Nanu. Next vacation you come again, he said. Yes, yes, Arun agreed and said, yes, he will come in next vacation. And Kolfukan said, our Vilaspur is very beautiful. Don't call again Vilaspur a boring Vilaspur. Arun said, you are living here, Nanu. How can I now call the Vilaspur a boring place? So students, we completed here our lesson, Arun's new friend. Hope you understood the lesson. Now it's time for homework. Read and write all the keywords from the lesson Arun's new friend. Page number 19, 20, 21 in your English homework notebook and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.